Okay guys, once you've removed all the screws that I mentioned in the previous video, and you do this, you should be able to remove the top here. Well, not quite fully remove everything, but as you can see here, you've gone and removed some of this part here that goes up and down during the print. So be very careful not to just rip it apart, because that might cause some problems to you. So don't just lift it off, because there's an end stop thingy over here and you could damage that. I think that really, before you do any of that, you may want to remove the hinges off of this part here. There's 4 screws for that, so I'm going to do that so that it's less likely for me to make a mess. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.